All right, guys. So RunStar sent us a new scale to use. So this is their smart body fat scale. It says get a full body measurement with 8 electrodes and professional DIA measurement. So we're sitting here. We're going to get a quick look. Has an ITO coating, larger sensing area, 8 data display on the screen, which we're going to see here in a minute. It has a considerate voice broadcast. That's cool. And offline measurement supported. So guess what? You do not have to have the app every single time. Let's go ahead and get it open here and see what we are working with. On the back of it, it does give you some more details. Tells you about all the 28 essential BMI body composition metrics that are used. And you are able to use an app to track, which in my opinion, I love that. So let's go ahead, open this guy up, and see an awesome scale. So hopefully you enjoy tracking everything. This is the user manual. Tells you all about it. Just get a little bit further. Check out this digital display comes off of it. So the digital display is actually not on the unit. It is actually a display that pops up. So if you notice that, it's one that you actually take up with you. So battery models, remove the plastic strip and the battery. So let's see the getting started. Let's go ahead and move this off so we can put it right here. I do like it has some nice spots for the bottom when it comes to non-stick on the bottom, which is super nice. Let's go ahead and see what we're working with here and how to get it going. So we got a user guide. We're going to run through this together. From a user guide perspective, it says number 1, download the app. So we got to make sure we do that. Register the app, search for the device, connect the device, and then your steps. So it does show you how you want to do that with regards to your steps here. So you want to make sure you're putting your feet on evenly. And then attention point 2 is you're going to pull up your hands nice and even. And then you're going to go from there, touching it properly and getting measurements. Let's see if we can do that together. I'm going to make some measurements happen. Let's get some stuff downloaded. But I do believe you can do this without. That's the best part. Let's see if we can actually do this. We got the battery port right here. Okay. So it says pull this off. Boom. Our scale is live. So we could do this without actually, you see this? Without actually the app itself. And that's one of the things that I wanted this one, is because without the actual app itself, it makes it nice. So we're going to go ahead and step on, just like so. I'm going to put my hands on. Got my weight measurement. Okay. So just like that, give me my weight measurement right there. Buck 95.2. That is pretty cool. So you're able to use this. Now, so you want to step on properly. Okay, so you're supposed to step on first and then pull this up. So we're going to do that. Accurate, we got that. Then grasp a handle and pull up. Okay. Should be able to get some measurements here from it. And once it locks in, so you'll be able to actually run the BMI and everything. Now with this, I do believe we have to do the Starfit on. So we have to make sure we have the Starfit on, which is super important. So I'm going to go ahead and download the app. And so when we download the app, we'll be able to run this. So let me go ahead. We'll come back and do a second video with running the app, and we can show you all the details involved in this whole entire process. Outside of that, this is a pretty cool scale. So you should definitely check it out.